Hello everybody, my name is April Choi and today I'm going to explain you about my seeds poster. So this is my seeds poster and first I will talk about the apple seeds. So this is the apple seeds and this is the apple tree and these are apples. This seed is coming from apples and apples are produced by an apple tree. When harvested, apples are usually roundish, 5 to 10 centimeter in diameter and 2 to 4 inches. They vary in size, shape, and acidity depending on the variety. Apple trees are grafted to dwarfing rootstock and only reach a height of 10 to 12 feet tall. Their width is the same as their height. Semi-dwarf apple trees are half the height and width of standard trees, growing 12 to 15 feet wide and tall. This plant is an angiosperm. Apples are usually dispersed by animals in nature. This plant is edible. The tree originated in Central Asia, where its wild ancestor Malus sieversii is still found today. Apples have been grown for thousands of years in Asia and Europe and were brought to North America by European colonists. Apples come in all shades of reds, greens, and yellows. Some apple trees will grow over 40 feet high and live over 100 years. Most apples can be grown farther north than most other fruits because they blossom late in spring, minimizing frost damage. It takes the energy from 50 leaves to produce one apple. Next, I'll be talking about the lime seeds. This is the lime seeds, and this is the lime, and this is the lime tree. This seed is coming from limes, and limes are produced by a lime tree. Limes are small, round, and green. Lime trees have thin branches and sharp needle-like spines. A lime tree's leaves are small and oval in shape. The leaves will be dark green on the top and paler on the bottom. They will be between 2 to 3 inches in length with a rough surface. Lime tree harvest generally takes place during summer. Limes take about 3 to 4 months, but a lack of certain kinds of nutrients can result in a lime tree not producing blossoms and fruit. Lime is an angiosperm, and people eat the lime and sometimes the rats eat the lime. Lime is edible. Lime is widely grown in India, Mexico, Egypt, the West Indies, China, California, the southern tip of the Florida Peninsula, and the Florida Keys, which is USA. And wild limes are believed to have first grown in Indonesia or Southeast Asia and then were transported to the Mediterranean region and North Africa. Interesting thing about lime is that lime is a small tree that usually grows to the height of 16 feet. Lime has shrub-like appearance due to multiple, irregular branches with numerous short twigs. Some types of limes are spiny. Next, I will talk about the lemon seeds. So this is the lemon seeds, and this is the lemon, and this is the lemon tree. This seed is coming from lemons, and lemons are produced by a lemon tree. Most varieties of lemons are yellow or variegated with stripes of yellow and light green. Ripe lemons generally have a ridged or bumpy surface. Lemon is an angiosperm. Lemon seed is dispersed by animals. The dispersion occurs when an animal, and especially human, eat the lemon and then drops the seed elsewhere. Another way the seeds are dispersed is when the animal ingests the seeds. Then the seeds get excreted some distance off, and thus process of dispersion then occurs. Lemon is edible. The origin of the lemon is unknown, though lemons are thought to have first grown in Assam, which is a region in northeast India, and northern Burma or China. A genomic study of the lemon indicated it was a hybrid bitter, orange, rich, sour, and citron. Lemon trees produce fruits all year round, and lemon tree leaves can be used to make tea. Next, I'll be talking about the orange seed. This is the orange seeds, this is the orange, and this is the orange tree. This seed is coming from orange, and oranges are produced by orange tree. An orange has a tough, shiny orange skin. Inside the fruit is divided into segments which have thin, tough skins that hold together many little sections with juice inside. Orange trees have dark green, shiny leaves and small white flowers with 5 petals. The flowers smell very sweet, which attracts many bees. Orange is an angiosperm. In some plants, seeds are housed within a fruit, such as apples or oranges. These fruits, including the seeds, are eaten by animals who then disperse the seeds when they defecate. Oranges are edible, and today oranges are cultivated in subtropical and tropical America, northern and eastern, Mediterranean countries, Australia, and South Africa. Prior to 1920, the orange was mainly considered a dessert fruit. Oranges are the largest citrus fruits in the world, and there are over 600 varieties of oranges. Lastly, I'll be talking about the tomato seeds. So this is the tomato seeds, this is tomato tree, this is the green tomato, and this is the red tomato. Tomato seeds are coming from tomato, and tomato is produced by tomato tree. The best tomatoes are completely free of blemish and bruises and should be a deep, bright red like this. Like many fruits, tomatoes are often picked while they're still green, like this, making them more durable for transport but less palatable once they get to the grocery store. The tomato tree can reach over 12 inches in length with 5-inch widths. The small fragrant flowers appear in clusters near the tips of branches and might be white, pink, or light blue in color. Tomatoes are angiosperms. Tomato seeds can be dispersed by birds and foraging animals. Animals excrete the undigested seeds miles away from the original plants. Half-eaten fruit was often carried and dropped miles away from the original plant. Tomatoes are edible. The species originated in western South America and Central America. Tomato is world's most popular fruit. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that is good for the heart and effective against certain cancers. Also, there are tomatoes that have green colors.